Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make my mum's recipe of chocolate face mask. The benefits of chocolate face mask is that it moisturizes your skin and softens your skin. So let's get started. So first you'll be needing 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, next, put 2 teaspoons of heavy cream. And mix it only a little bit. Next, put vitamin E oil in, just a few drops, and this is optional. Next, you'll have to mix it all together until a smooth paste. Mix it thoroughly so there's no more cocoa powder left. Next, apply it to your skin. So I'm applying it to my skin now. If you use this method regularly, your skin will be a lot brighter and younger than it was before. Make sure you like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.